Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week we are going to unbox some older casting. So I hope you guys remember I mentioned so many times that I have this 2023 Matchbox, Hot Wheels, Majorettes and everything, right? So I just took couple of Matchbox castings from that one and I wanted to unbox that now. So let me just start with this. So this is the Tesla Model X. This came during 2023 and I bought this for 117, which was the MRP at that time. You can see the date and sorry, month and year of manufacturing here. So I bought everything for MRP at that time, and this is the 1992 Mazda AutoSam AZ1. I don't know what AZ1 means, but yeah. So I personally like this one because it has acrylic headlights. We need to see how this one actually looks. And here is one other Porsche Cayenne Turbo. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Cayenne or Cyan or Cyan, I guess. Okay. So here it is. So these are main lines, and one of my personal favorite, this one, the Buick Skylark convertible. So I do love older Buicks. And here is another one, the 1994 Mitsubishi 3000 GT. So this one I need to check whether I bought it. Yeah, I bought it during 2023. This one actually has acrylic headlights, and one of the main reason I picked for this week's unboxing. And last but not least, this is not a Matchbox, but my personal favorite. So this one is a Majorette, and again, this is an imported one from Dubai, and this is kind of the deluxe edition they usually do. But I want to understand whether for this one they actually went with the full metal casting, or they went with plastic chassis. So this one comes with this metal tin, collector's tin. That is really nice. And I don't remember for how much I bought. So it says 33 AED. So converted, guys, I don't remember right now. Okay, so we are going to unbox this entire set for this week. So stay tuned for everything, and as usual, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.